Weep holes are small openings on the window exterior that allow water to drain away from the window. These instructions will guide you through how to test the weep system on your Milgard half-vent window. Safety precautions. Activities in this video are appropriate for individuals with an understanding of how to use simple hand tools. Remember to wear eye protection and to make sure that pets and small children are not present when performing these activities. Questions? Call 1-800-MILGARD or visit www.milgard.com. You'll need a putty knife, heavy-duty tape, water, and a large container such as a bucket. Begin by removing the operating panel of the half-vent window. To do this, open the window all the way. Take out the window sash by lifting up and pulling the bottom of the sash out first. Use a putty knife to remove the window track. If there are weep hole covers on your window, remove them at this time. Cover the weep holes with heavy-duty tape. Fill the track with water until it's filled halfway up to the track edge. Let the water rest for at least 15 minutes. If there's no change in the water depth, there is no defect in the window's weep system. Drain the weep system by removing the tape and allowing the water to exit the system. Finish by replacing the weep covers, window track, and sash.